So one of the reasons why we choose the depth or the application depth of the top dressing material that we do, and it's normally between a quarter and an eighth of an inch, is due to the material that we use and the turf health. So right now with this pile sitting right here, it's actually still composting down, and you can feel the warmth off of it. If you get this earlier in the stage, you can actually feel the heat off of it. So one of the reasons that we go at these depths is we don't want to bury the turf, because we will actually continue the composting process, and you can burn the blades of the grass. And that'll kind of set us back, won't really help a whole lot. There's some situations really early in the spring when we're just coming out of dormancy where we want to go ahead and bury it for certain reasons, for leveling or for kind of restoration of some plant health. But for the most part, as we get into, especially with the heat in the summer, we want to go more at that eighth of an inch depth, because we don't want to get with the summertime temperatures. We don't want to add heat to the turf blades, the grass blades. We will actually make it worse. So those are the reasons why we choose these depths. Our machines are great at applying those levels and those amounts, so we can achieve the material output. But that's one of the main reasons why we do that, and why we say it requires a couple seasons or a couple applications to really start seeing the great benefits and results of top dressing. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.